Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact SSID and password. This prevents login failures later. Once done, open a QR code generator tool and choose Wi-Fi network type WPA/WPA2 so devices interpret it correctly. Make sure you enter the SSID exactly, including capitalization and special characters. After verifying the password text, set hidden network flag if your SSID isn't broadcast. Generate the QR visually and preview it. Because a tiny typo, now choose the Wi-Fi template in the generator and paste SSID, select encryption type, and add the password. You're doing this so devices read the data correctly. Mismatched encryption is a common failure. Export the code as a high-contrast PNG or print at 300 dpi. Low-contrast or tiny codes don't scan. Once saved, test the QR with your phone's native camera and a second device to confirm automatic join behavior. If both succeed, you've validated the code works across platforms. To deploy, place the code where users naturally join, near the router or guest area, and control access if needed. Once the network name or password changes, regenerate and replace any printed copies. Stale codes are the usual cause of confusion. If someone can't connect, first have them scan again and check the decoded text on their screen. This shows SSID and encryption. If it's wrong, regenerate. Also inspect print contrast and size, dust, glare, or tiny prints frequently block scanners from reading the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.